Hello everyone, Ellen Woodbridge here, independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in Australia. I would like to welcome you to my Notes of Nature class. Now, I planned this class before the retirement list came out for the mini catalogue. Now, unfortunately, this bundle is retiring, but I am celebrating it with this class. So we are using the stamp set and the matching dies. Okay, so they are all the matching dies. But I am pleased to tell you that some of the products from this bundle, which is in the mini catalogue, are actually carrying over. And one of those products is the Nature's Sweetness Designer Series paper, which I will show you in just a second, and the stamp set and dies that I didn't purchase. So these are lovely and sweet. So you've got the stamp set there, and then you've got coordinating dies. So they are carrying over, which is lovely, but I just chose the wrong set. So, other things, I'm going to show you the cards. How can I forget? So, 3 cards in this class, one of which I've already shared in a blog post, but not in a video. So, I'm including it because I love the cards so much. And I think everyone who has done this class in person with me has had trouble choosing which card they like. So this first card, we're going to do some faux embossing and a little bit of die cutting and layering. So that is our first card. Our second card, we're only using a little bit of designer series paper in this class because I love the stamp so much. So I've created a focal image here. No sentiment on this set, some background stamping and using the dies and the faux gold leather trim, which is a lot of fun. And our last card is all stamping and about texture and perspective. So this is our final card. Now this is all stamped except for the embellishments. But what I have done, I have used some shading to create perspective and depth to make these 2 leaves appear 3D when they actually are not. So I'll share all that with you in the video. I'm going to show you all the extra bits that I use during the videos because I'm halfway through filming everything and it's all here on my desk. So what I will do, I'll just grab out the designer series paper and show you some of the sheets. So it's specialty paper and we do have gold on at least one side. So we've got some great texture. So some of it is nature texture and some of it is just fun, what I call basic masculine texture basically. So I like the text, I like the grids. They're easy and fun to use, and the good thing about this as well is that I have used these neutrals as a base. I'm just going to see, and this is the other one. This is Lucky Last, so you've got great gold splatter on like newsprint. And then you've got this. I have used this paper and colour palette as the base. And then I have added in other colours to enhance those neutrals. So that's a little bit of what we're using and the thinking behind the class. Sorry, I was just grabbing the cards to show you again. But in our videos, I will show you all 3 cards. If you have any questions, comments, anything like that, please don't hesitate to ask. If you are in Australia, all my videos will have my shop link to everything that I've used in all 3 cards. And of course, you can substitute in products you have. If you don't have the exact products or colors, you can substitute in. And I'd love you to share those projects that you do on my VIP group. So that is also linked in the description box in the video. There's a little arrow so you can open up the description box and see everything, where you can find me, where you can find my other tutorials to purchase, links to my shop, being able to subscribe to my YouTube channel and all my social media. So thank you so much for purchasing this class. I really do appreciate the support, and I look forward to seeing you in the card videos and in my next class. Bye.